Alright, what's up everybody? This is Steve Glenn on behalf of Audio Newsroom. Today I'm giving you a walkthrough about performing with push regarding a method I like to call SonginnaClip, in which we put an entire song within a drum rack and within just one clip. This is great because it doesn't use any other extra scripting, just push and live, which means that we have a very reliable and very sturdy performance set, and that it's easy to move around between. It'll be future forward in the sense that I think as live updates, it'll be you don't have to use any new scripting, update your scripting, as well as it can be shared easily, so with anyone else or any other computer can easily just plug and play. Alright, here's a quick little song I made. I'm going to show you how to change it from the song parts, and in a simple way just put them into a drum rack. Here we go. Alright. First thing we're going to do is make a new drum rack and import. Weird. Import my sounds. I've already level matched these items so that I don't have to re-input the mixer stuff. Just for the curiosity, for the sake of time in this tutorial. They're all in there. And then you would simply go into your MIDI patterns or your audio loop patterns and translate that to the MIDI clip that you will create here. Kick. Oh, those are chords. Anyhow, I already did that MIDI clip. It's right there. So that is basically the same song. Except we don't have our reverbs in from the original. Sorry, my sends in from the original. I got a reverb and a delay, and I'm just gonna copy them and open up the chain list as well as the send and then the returns and paste in that reverb. Do the same thing with the delay. Copy, Command C, Control C, and paste that one right there. Now all I have to do is put in the values that I had originally. I wrote all these down. I'm not just putting in numbers. They match what my send levels were up here. Cool. Let's try that. Cool. Okay, So something I can do in a main project is I have these sends. What they have is pre and post, which is a pretty cool feature. It's something that drum racks do not have in their sends. But something that the main project doesn't have is a hierarchy, besides grouping stuff. But I don't have a set of sends for this group. All the sends go to these master sends over here, which is useful because everything is sort of global. But if I want to make submixes, like for this my drum rack, my drums within my drum rack here, I can group that, Command G, and it makes a nested drum rack with its very own set of sends and returns. So I want to make a submix for my drums, and I want some slapback echo. I'm using the empty club preset with a extended pre-delay, increased pre-delay, and you'll notice I can route this all the way up to this original reverb here. That was coming from this drum rack, this nested rack inside it, the sends and returns inside that. Well, as I send up my snare and hi-hat, it's going to this through this reverb and then routed to this other reverb. Pretty cool. But what I want to do is put it to that same reverb on the hierarchy above it, this one. So actually it goes, the signal path kind of breaks the rules for Ableton Live in that it goes left to right, down, and then back left. Visually, just visually. It's still working within the normal hierarchy of drum racks here. So these two go to this one, which goes to this one, and then finally out of this drum rack. And I can still make a submix behind this, up behind my drums, after my drums. Where all these drums are passing through the rack output, which goes to there, and then out the rack. Cool, that's all for today. Hope you learned some cool stuff. Next lesson we'll be talking about meaningful mapping, which is something I really like because it really shows the power behind SonginnaClip. Cool, enjoy yourself, bye.